So hello, PewDiePie.
Hello.
So how do you feel about hitting 54 million subscribers lately?
Well, I'm not actually PewDiePie, I'm a space doll. So I know what I do.
Next question. Mark or Jack?
Mark.
Why?
He's so beautiful.
And why not Jack?
Jack has green hair. He tried to copy me one time. But I like Mark best because, well, look at his arms. He has great arms. And you get out of here. Over there.
How about me?
Yeah.
What about Cora?
Anyways, can you elaborate on why Jack copied you?
Because I had green hair one time. He copied me. So I decided, hey, why not like Markiplier better? Yes, I know.
Yeah, how
His
rude.
eyes are twisted.
Anyways, why did PewDiePie change his new icon to a little dog with a face?
Rip Gabe the dog. I love Gabe the dog. So I say that.
So, PewDiePie, why are you picking your nose?
I will not answer that question, no matter what.
Beautiful. What was your favorite part of your Birdaboo series?
Well, the part that I actually got to talk with my fans about my life, it was really great.
How did you feel about America for the first time?
It was really weird. Everything is so weird. They don't even have IKEA. I'm very disappointed about that.
But they do have IKEA. Wait, no, who paused it?
Wait, they do?
Yes, they do have IKEAs.
Where?
Now, Skittles or Snickers?
Skittles or Snickers?
Yes.
Skittles.
Good.
Why do you just try to do that?
Now, for the final question. Black Ops 3 or a little kid game?
It's a kid game! I need a doctor! You, can you please get me a doctor?